If you've seen this viral video effect lately, it's called the building drop effect. Today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating this effect using just your smartphone. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you'd like to see more step-by-step tutorials on viral content like this. First, we'll create a freeze frame and duplicate it for later use. Return to the original freeze frame and select AI Remove. Next, brush over the building you want to remove. After this, the building will disappear and the scene will transform. Once you're satisfied with the result, overlay the second freeze frame. Now, move forward slightly and set the duration to around 0.7 seconds. Then, choose Remove Background and select Custom Removal. Brush over the first area, which is the swimming pool. Duplicate the frame again to create the next section. For the second part, set the duration to 0.5 seconds. Select Custom Removal once more and reset the settings. For the second part, brush over the second floor area. Repeat the process for the third part, brushing over the next floor. Set the duration for this third part to 0.4 seconds. Once you've completed the brushing and have 3 separate layers, it's time to create the animation with keyframes. Start with the first clip, add a keyframe, and position it so it appears as if it's coming from above. Repeat this process for the second and third parts. Afterward, you'll have a sequence like this. To make it more realistic, add visual effects such as smoke and vibration. Adjust the effects accordingly and set a moment when the building touches the ground. Duplicate the effects 3 times to match the other parts. Now you'll have an effect that looks like this. Next, add a smoke effect. To blend it, go to the Splice menu and apply a filter. Lower the opacity to around 50%. Then, change the layer order to place the smoke effect beneath the building. Use masking to remove any unwanted lines. Select the horizontal mask and adjust the settings to hide fine details. Once you're happy with the result, duplicate the effect across the 3 parts. Congratulations! You've created an impressive effect. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment on what other effects you'd like us to break down step by step.